These are geometry review notes. Answer the following problems. Use a separate sheet of paper if you need more room. Dimensional changes. A rectangle has a perimeter of 28 and an area of 12 that is dilated by a scale factor of 3. Dilation means change the size. It could get bigger or it could get smaller, change the size. So 3 is the linear factor. For area, I have to square it, so it's going to be a change of 3 squared or 9 in area. So what is the new perimeter? The new perimeter is 3 times 28. 84. The new area is 9 times 12. 108 centimeters squared. This is centimeters. A pentagon is a perimeter of 20 if every side is halved. Well, if I halve the size, it's linear change. I half the perimeter, so it's 10. Find the new perimeter, 10 feet. The scale factor is 1/2. So all the sides and the perimeter go down by 1/2. The area would be multiplied by 1/4. The perimeter of a triangle is 12. After a dilation, the perimeter is 16. What is a scale factor? Okay, so it got bigger. So the new 16 divided by 12 equals, what is that? 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12. So the scale factor is 4/3. It got bigger. The area of a rectangle is 100. After a dilation, the area is 25. So originally, new is 25, old is 100. That is 1/4. What is the scale factor? Well, that's area. Remember, the scale factor is linear, so I take the square root of that. So it's 1/2 is the scale factor. Scale factor. Describe the effect of an area of a circle when the radius is tripled. Pi r squared is the area. Well, what if I change it to pi times 3r squared? 3 times 3 is 9, r squared, 9 pi r squared. So the area is multiplied by 9. Scale factor 9. Tony and Edwin built rectangular gardens. Each one of them built a garden. Tony's garden is twice as long as twice as wide. Well, as Edwin's. If the area of Edwin's is 600, what is the area of Tony's? Twice. The scale factor is 2, but remember, for area, I've got to square it. So for area, it's times 4. 600 times 4, 2,400 square feet. I guess I'll write it like that. The ratio of two similar polygons is 3:5. The perimeter of the largest is 150. One is the perimeter of the smaller. So 3:5. It's just linear because it's perimeters. Stays 3:5. Perimeter of the larger is 150. What is the perimeter of the smaller? So 5x equals 450. X equals 450 divided by 5 is 90. The smaller one is 90 centimeters. The scale of two similar quadrilaterals is 1:4. Similar, as I say it sometimes. The area of the smaller is 80. What is the area of the larger? So the scale is 1:4, but so small to large. But for area, you have to square that. So that's 1 squared is 1, 4 squared is 16. The area of the smaller equals 80. What is the area of the larger? So x equals 16 times 80. $1,280. Well, wait a minute. The area of the small quadrilateral is 80 centimeters. I guess 80 centimeters squared, so it's 1280 centimeters square. Let me make sure I did that right. Yeah, 1:4 is 1:16. The smaller is 80. Yep, it's 16 times bigger, so 80 times 16. 6 times 0, 6 times 8 is 48. 1 times 0, 1 times 8 is 8. 1280. Yeah, 1280 square centimeters, not centimeters. If the dimensions of a rectangle with a perimeter are tripled, so the scale factor is 3, what will be the perimeter in inches? Well, perimeter is still linear, so I just do 3. If it was area, I'd have to increase it by 3 squared is 9. So the new perimeter will be 3 times 24. 72 inches. So that's it for the notes.